Hello and welcome to the Kitchen Diva, c'est moi. Now that Thanksgiving is on top of us, I have decided that for those who hate the white meat in turkey, prefer the dark meat, and who don't want to have a whole big, huge turkey cooked on Thanksgiving because there aren't enough people that you want to give thanks to. So I decided to do a turkey meal using the dark meat, and which is enough for, say, a family of 2 to 3, if they're really big eaters, and with a few of the trimmings to go with it. But I will show you how I put them all together so you get everything in one. And so here, the dark meat of the turkey, and I've used a thigh and I've deboned it. I have some stuffing and chestnuts and some cranberry sauce. And here we go. So this is the thigh of the turkey, deboned, and I've put a homemade barbecue sauce with smoky flavors and tomatoey flavor, a little bit of honey, and a little bit of soy sauce, and some herbs, rosemary from my garden. And that's all here. Now to this, I'm going to add stuffing. Now I made stuffing out of sausage meat and breadcrumbs and some herbs put together. Here again, I've used rosemary and a little bit of thyme because I have plenty on my hands. Okay, that wasn't that funny, I suppose. So I am basically going to make it, there. Stick my little chestnuts in and a wee bit of cranberry sauce. There you go. Now, as you can see, it has everything in one. So what I am going to do is attempt to roll that up. And if it spills over, so be it, because I've overstuffed it, but that's all right. It's not a bad thing. It's better than having too little. Now, this wonderful Christmas cracker, see how I did that? This wonderful Christmas cracker is going into the oven at 180 degrees. And I will wait for 25 minutes before I check it through to make sure it's heading in the right direction. So let's take it away. Now I have to keep my fingers crossed that it doesn't turn out to be something I wasn't expecting. Now, this is the bit I didn't show you, is I put a bit of twine in there at halftime. There was no score anyway, so at halftime, so at 25 minutes, I peeked in and decided to give it a bit of a tug and a pull. There it is, looking happy. Now I just want to happy it up a bit. Ideally, if I wasn't on the show, I'd have opened this up and left it for another 10 minutes with the grill on heat. But seeing as there you go. After I cut this, display it, and end the show, then I'll put that back in and make it crisp and thing on the top. But for now, look at that. Come on, that is pretty, right? I think so. Oh, that's my new necklace. What do you think? No, I didn't think so either. Okay, so fingers crossed this will be edible. Well, it is edible, but the knife isn't sharp enough. So let's do this from here then, so we can have a good look. Got a bit of cranberry going on there. It's very exciting. And I've hit boom. Now, it's time for you to have a good look at this. And here we have your stuffing. I've done potato with some Parmesan on top. This is the mashed potatoes. I also do this when I'm left over with mashed potatoes after Christmas. I make them into a little patty kind of thing and then put a little Parmesan on top. Very nice. This is minted peas with a sauce, a butter sauce, and the mint is from my garden. And the rosemary in my turkey is also from my garden. And all the herbs, actually, even in the stuffing, is from the garden. So here it is with Pedro. Are you going to do the honors, sir?
Yes.
Okay, so it's me saying bye-bye to the next show. And then you never know what this Christmas cracker will have in store for you. Till then, bye.